I am Anjali Kaushik and I am currently pursuing my BTech from AKTU University, and I have been placed in Gemini Solutions at the CTC of 7.5 LPA, and Brain Mentors has been very helpful throughout in my placement journey.
I've joined the summer training program of Stack given by Brain Mentors. It was taught to us by Mr. Amit sir. So personally, I believe it was a very informative training program. I really loved it.
Hi everyone, my name is Arvind Jaiswal. I work in Tata Power Delhi Distribution Limited. I work there as a software developer, and I basically deal with Android development there in the company. I recently joined this institute, Brain Mentors. Obviously, I was told by one of my colleagues, and I joined here basically as a learner of main stack development. And since then, I would say it has been a great, life-changing experience of mine.
So that was a very great experience for me. So overall, it was quite a nice experience, and I'm really thankful to Skill Risers.
I'd like to say that Brain Mentors has helped me a lot in my placement journey, and currently I'm placed at Nucleus Software Exports. That is a Noida-based company, and lucky for me, my advanced training tutor, Mr. Amit sir, was in working in that company in his early career.
मेरी प्लेसमेंट हो चुकी है एक्सेंचर में. द थिंग इज आई डोंट नीड दैट प्लेसमेंट बिकॉज आई गेट बेटर अपॉर्चुनिटीज एवरी डे. मैं जितने चेंजेस अपने अंदर लाया हूँ, आप भी अपने अंदर ला सकते हो वो चेंजेस. दिस इज द बेस्ट प्लेस इन दिल्ली टू लर्न. रियली यू कैन बिकम अ प्रो डेवलपर, एंड आई वुड रियली रिकमेंड यू टू जॉइन.